As a business owner, you know how hard it is to get people interested in your services. You spend time, effort, and money bringing visitors to your website or getting calls. But how many of those turn into paying customers? What if you could make sure every potential customer had a clear path, guiding them from interest to action, turning those leads into paying clients automatically? That's exactly what SimplePlan Pro's sales funnel management and optimization does. It creates a step-by-step journey for every visitor, turning their interest into action and action into sales. It's not just about bringing in leads, it's about making sure those leads convert into paying customers. Imagine having a system that captures every lead, nurtures them with personalized follow-ups, and guides them through a proven funnel, whether they came from your website, social media, or even a phone call. From the moment someone shows interest, they're taken on a clear path, receiving timely emails, reminders, and offers that guide them to either schedule a call, book your service, or even pay an initial fee. You won't have to lift a finger. The system works for you day and night, ensuring that no opportunity is ever missed. With the Simple Plan, you'll finally have a system that turns leads into paying clients effortlessly. Your funnel will be working 24/7, so you can focus on growing your business. Stop losing leads, stop missing opportunities, and start turning every visitor into a customer. Click below to sign up for SimplePlan Pro today and see how optimized sales funnels can transform your business. Don't let another lead slip away. Everything you need is right here. Act now and take control of your sales process.